Good morning everyone. I hope आप सब ठीक हो. This is one and only Dimple Ladani. So guys, I'm sure you must have already seen all the amazing videos of Mataji and Ambe Ma in Navratri. So it was her lovely plan to come up with this concept, and then yeah, so this is all behind the scenes. You're welcome. She's starting to do my hair. Uma will be our cameraman. Uma! Guys, as you must be knowing how us sisters are. That's Kushali, and all the setup is ready for the makeup, and we're so ready for this. माइग्रेन यहाँ पे मुझे आ रहा है और आराम ये कर रहे हैं कैमरामैन. Guys, look at all this sanitized brushes. Guys, just look how beautiful this hair looks. So hair is ready here.
ये है काली मैगी.
काली मैगी.
ये 3 पाइप.
इससे काली मैगी होती है.
So I'm ready for my first shot where I'm getting raped. Lights are being arranged here. वैसे तो किसी की हिम्मत नहीं है मुझे रेप करने की. Whoever tries to rape me, वो खुद बाप बनने के लायक नहीं रहेगा. So let's begin. बड़ी बड़ी हवेलियों में बड़े बड़े राज होते हैं, चुप रहना. Do you know that dialogue?
No.
It's from Bulbul.
बुलबुल आ रही है.
Have you watched that movie called Bulbul? Oh my god.
I'll say lipstick.
Guys, so we're going to start. The lights at. Oh my god! Ay. I have this excruciating migraine, and these guys are throwing light on me. There's something called photophobia during migraine. But anyways,
I should do that. Yeah, I think that should be.
Lights, camera, action. Take 2.
Okay, I'm ready. Yeah.
guys, मेरा रेप हो गया. ओए बिंदी तो करने को गिरा क्यों?
Did you get Marcus flash? Yeah.
खून भी निकल रहा है.
We have this.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Now maybe. Oh, I'm just creating more blues to look more natural now.
Okay, we're creating a bruise. Look at this bruise. It looks so cool. It looks so real. We're doing the next scene of me being raped. I need tears in my eyes. I'm thinking about all the worst thing that have happened to me in my life. Oh. What do I think about? I know exactly what to think about if I want to cry. What? She's the cameraman. Why the hell are you doing a bindi? Guys, I need tears.
How I'm putting. Wait. Let's show them. So, this is how we create ears.
So that is honey.
When we are heartless.
Or the I realized that I'm so happy that I don't have anything dukh bhara to cry.
Ashu kado.
Just trigger your whatever. Your kind of time. Okay. Okay, I'm tearing up.
इतने पत्थर दिले आंसू ही नहीं आते
इतने पत्थर Bro, what? Okay, I'm ready. Alright, let's go.
The color of my heart
The color of our heart is black. Okay, guys, I'm crying. Let's go. Let's take the shot. Oh my god. We have a short break right now from our shoot.
आज होगा हमारा फोन
And look who brought some cake. Cake me away. Thank you so much.
Why you even vlogging me like this? My friend, no.
Okay, set up yourself properly and then I should. Yummy, this looks so delicious. I don't know what's with Uma and that black bindi on her forehead. And we are starting the main Ambema look. So I think you're starting with the eyes?
Yeah, I'm doing concealer.
Okay.
Concealer eyes. We're going to be using this Morphe palette by James Charles.
Okay.
So we're gonna focus on these colors with maybe this orange and yellow.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
Fill my life with some colors.
With brown colors, okay?
Brown. Yeah, it's okay. My life is anyway black and white.
So let's get some brown.
Our makeup is done. We're just testing the foundation tone on me. So finally we are applying the foundation after the concealer, no, the corrector.
Corrector, and then I put some concealer to hide the corrector, and now
Okay.
I go over with the
Okay.
foundation. Hi, Papu!
Welcome back.
Okay, I am so sorry. We have occupied your room.
We are now contouring, enhancing how red color lipstick kar jeto.
So my makeup is being done, and here is Uma tell Dimple that Mara Lagan Mao makeup, Mara Lagan Mao makeup. So Uma wants to look like who? Angelina Jolie with her sharp fidget.
Just doing some cream blush.
What shades are you using for blushing?
50 shades of grey
50 Shades of Grey. Uma is so not required over here. What? Can you remove that bindi? And you added another one. Show the other one. It's
not there.
It's not there.
wait
As if one bindi was not enough, she put another one on her nose. It's not lal bindi, it's kali bindi. Guys, my eyes are so sensitive to.
Wait. Done.
Oh my god.
Done.
I can't miss my beautiful hair. Wait. In between our makeup, we are having a break for lunch again. And for lunch, we have papri no lot.
અહીંયા વ્લોગમાં આવીશ
આટી vlog
મેં ચટણી બનાવી ગ્રીન કેવી ખાઈને ટેસ્ટ કરો
दोस्तों, पापड़ी का लोट ठूस लिया है. अभी माता जी को और मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को बहुत नींद आ रही है.
चलो हम सो जाते हैं.
We still have to continue our look and we're so tired.
1,000 years later will come now.
Yeah. And Uma is still eating outside. She said we better be ready by the time she comes
I
to
don't know how
shoot.
she's going to shoot us now.
And we're just sleeping. By the way, my eye looks amazing. Oh my god. Okay. We're just deciding
એમાં હોય શું
मुझे कौन सी पलके डालनी है. पलके.
कुछ जुकी सी अनक
जुकी सी पलके.
कुछ जुकी सी
I think this one. No. I don't know.
this is too dramatic.
This is too
It
dramatic.
used to be a serial.
Hot Mataji. मैं क्या करूं, मैं क्या करूं, तेरे चेहरे से नजर नहीं हटती, लाल बिंदी मत इतनी सोनी.
I'm done.
Okay.
હવે હા હવે તો સારી લેવું છે
I'm ready. दोस्तों आप सब मेरी शादी में इनवाइटेड हो.
હું ડીઓપી में हूँ
मैं सोलो शादी कर रही हूँ. मेरा पति तो छोड़ के चला गया मुझे.
अब तुम आत्मा बन के घूम रही हो.
अब मैं तड़पती हुई आत्मा बन के घूम रही हूँ. Okay. I've never worn this in my life. नाक तो मुख मारो.
તું મને વિખી ને
હા હા પછી કરી
મેં કભક લેડા ફોન માં કર
તમે સારું નથી અમે આનાથી
હવે હાલશે
હા
હાય